Hey guys, my name is Maria Andersen and we are talking about investing on this channel. So if you love investing in crypto, NFTs, sometimes even stocks, make sure you subscribe. Today I'll be reviewing one very new NFT project, but I like it and I'm sure you will like it too. Well, the name of this project is Ape Traders, and this is not just the name, let me show you why. So Ape Traders is a collection of 7,777 randomly generated apes living on the Ethereum blockchain. I don't know what about you guys, but I still love Ethereum blockchain and we are waiting for Ethereum 2.0, and I hope all those gas fees will not be so high anymore. Each ape is completely unique and grants you access to the jungle, where you will get weekly reports on upcoming NFT projects that we think can take off. So guys, owning this Ape Trader, you will be able to get all those new information about the hot NFT projects. You will not need my channel anymore. But I hope you will still watch my videos. As an Ape Trader, you will also have access to the Temple, an exclusive Discord channel to interact with other like-minded traders and stay updated on all things NFT. That's actually very important when you have a like-minded community, I'm telling you. By the way, this video is sponsored and I'm very happy that this exact project have chosen me to show their art to the world. And if you want to know more about pre-sale mint, which will be soon, you should join their Discord. Let's just scroll a little more and see the full idea. Ownership perks. The jungle. The jungle will open up to Ape Traders once pre-sale is complete. It provides holders with access to weekly reports outlining the hottest upcoming NFT projects before their mint, giving you the opportunity to get in on those NFTs on the ground floor. Okay, what else? Despite its name, it's actually a great place for navigating the NFT world. Think of it as a jungle separating the few from the many. That's funny. A members-only space for the most successful NFT collectors. Wow, I would like to join this community. I have so many communities now, but that's cool. Instead of spending hours scrolling Twitter, reading articles, you can let the Ape Traders team to do all the work. So they are not just providing you a beautiful art that might have a crazy growth in the future, they are also providing you a supportive community and all those useful stuff. The people behind Ape Traders have been trading NFTs since the beginning and they know what to look for. By the way guys, for now you can just join their Discord, their Twitter to become a part of community. Let's support each other. They are supporting me and my channel. You will go support them. That's how it works, you know? Okay, let's see what is the Temple. The Temple is the meeting place of the apes. This one is funny. There will be daily updates of interesting projects that are minting. NFT experts will also stop in from time to time to share their knowledge with the community. And here we have exclusive whitelist partnerships. The Ape Traders team have big plans to secure exclusive whitelist partnerships with upcoming NFT projects. Ape Trader holders will have the opportunity to be whitelisted on the projects before anyone else. That's actually very important in crypto, and I've been telling you this in my almost every video. It's very important to be very early in hot crypto project. This will allow holders to get in early before projects sell out, meaning more ETH in your wallet. Okay guys, what next? Backstory. Ape Traders have been roaming the jungle for years, lurking on OpenSea and Discord with nothing to show for it. Now the Vice's apes have organized themselves, preparing to get crypto rich with NFTs. I like that. It's time for Ape to rise. Interesting. Gallery. Let's see now how they will actually look like. And guys, I love it. If you don't like this kind of art, tell me what do you like? What do you like if you don't like this kind of art? Look at this cute guy. Interesting. Wow, this one is cool. This is awesome. I like this one. This is amazing. I don't know guys, I just love this kind of art now. What can I do? I just love everything about those apes. Okay guys, you can ask when mint. Let's see when mint. By the way, here is the roadmap. And let's see when mint firstly. and after we will see all the other questions. So when mint, all pre-sale and whitelist info can be found on our Discord here. Yeah, right away here. Public sale begins on December 6th at 9 p.m. EST. Let's see what can I do with my Ape Trader. By holding your Ape Trader, you will have exclusive access to the jungle and the temple. You will receive in-depth NFT reports for upcoming projects and have the chance to discuss NFTs with like-minded investors, as well as get daily updates on interesting projects. Yeah, that's cool. If you are new in NFT sphere, guys, those are all the answers for questions that you might have. So go check out this website. I will leave all the links in the description. And now let's see their plan, because it might be something interesting. Post-sale plans. After every Ape Trader has sold out, we are going to step on the gas. Besides the jungle and temple, the community will decide where we go from here. Possible ideas include airdrops for holders, or I love airdrops, additional assets covered in our community by experts such as altcoins, stock and exclusive merch only available to holders. The sky really is the limit. By the way, let's go check out their Twitter right from here. And here we can see, guys, that they have a small but very fast growing community already. And also I wanted to show you that they are making some crazy giveaways. I love giveaways actually. I don't know, what about you? Tell me. So I guess they have every day like one giveaway a day. Something like this. You can go check it out and join their Twitter actually. As I told you guys, why not to support each other? We are just one big crypto community. And I guess it's pretty easy to join their giveaways. Just follow us, like and retweet, and join Discord. Nothing difficult. By the way, I already retweeted. As you can see, I love NFTs, I love giveaways, and I really recommend you to do the same. So Ape Traders NFT, I see your project has a very good quality. Guys, go check it out, their Twitter, and join their Discord. Do it now, thank me later, and I wish you a good day. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. Take care, stay safe. Bye.